Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. In the High Court of Justice, it is hereby declared that every individual, irrespective of rank, status, or special position, is bound by the law of the land, and to person shall claim immunity from prosecution when found guilty of an offense punishable under the prevailing statutes. The foundation of justice rests upon equality before the law and impartiality in its application. The court, therefore, emphasizes that due process must be strictly adhered to in all legal proceedings to preserve the integrity of the judicial system and maintain public confidence therein. It is the duty of the prosecution to establish the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt, and such burden of proof shall remain throughout the trial. The defense, on the other hand, has the right to cross-examine witnesses, challenge evidence, and present any material that may demonstrate innocence or create reasonable doubt in the mind of the court. The principle of presumption of innocence shall be upheld unless and until the prosecutions produced cogent and admissible evidence to rebut such presumption. Further, the court is mindful of the constitutional guarantee that no individual shall be deprived of life or liberty except in accordance with the law. This sacred right forms the cornerstone of democratic governance and limits the arbitrary exercise of authority. Any act of the executive or law enforcement agencies that violates these rights shall be struck down as unconstitutional and void ab initio. The judiciary remains the ultimate guardian of fundamental freedoms and will not hesitate to intervene whenever unlawful detention, custodial torture, or extrajudicial measures are brought to its notice. The court also underscores the necessity of ensuring a fair trial, which includes the right to be informed of the charges, the right to legal representation, and the right to present evidence in defense. Delay in the administration of justice, whether caused by negligence or deliberate tactics, shall not be tolerated, for justice delayed is justice denied. full stop, the end.